grounding demonstration. So we have a voltmeter set up. The black wire is going into the ground. That grounds out the voltmeter. So most houses are built on an AC current, so we're on the AC setting. So whenever I pick up this red one, that's going to show my voltage in my body. So it goes up. Whenever I get close to a power source, the voltmeter goes way up and back away. So right now I'm wearing rubber shoes which are not conductive, so I'm not grounded right now. And when I take them off and stand on the concrete, which is conductive, it goes down dramatically back towards zero. Okay, so we can do the same experiment inside. We're going to use an outlet checker to make sure that the house is properly grounded and wired. So once I stick it in, it's going to be the two lights here says that it's correct and that the ground is working. So the bottom part of this outlet goes all the way outside into the ground. So same thing outside, how this was in the ground, this black one, it's going to go in the grounded part, and the red is going to measure my voltage. So right now it's at 0.6, and then once we use this grounding mat, which is conductive and connected to the grounding part of the outlet, we'll test it and see if it does anything. So 0.6, take my shoe off, put it on the ground. 0.007, take it off, goes back up, back on, goes down. Grounded, ungrounded, grounded, ungrounded. So that's it.